Welcome back to another progressive income video. Hope you guys are all doing well. So in this video, I'll be going over how I personally budget my money. Now, there's a lot of different ways of doing this, and it's important for me to disclose this, that this is not financial advice whatsoever. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, in order to budget, I need to know where my money is actually going, what I need my money for, and if I have any goals that I need to save for. Now, I am able to do all this using one app, which is WeMoney. I've been using it a lot recently, and it's been really helpful in terms of budgeting. So basically, with WeMoney, you can link your bank account to it, and you can track exactly where your money is going, what you're spending it on. So as you can see here, there's different categories for this month, and in the homepage of the app you can see how much money you have in your account and how you're doing, your net worth, how many days until payday. These aren't my actual figures, I'm on stealth mode right now. However, when you get it, you can see your actual values. Basically, you can set goals, and these goals can be for emergency funds, paying off debt, saving for a car, or anything else. You can also set your monthly budget, as you can see here. You can check your transactions, and you can also add your bills. It's perfect for budgeting. And the community of this WeMoney app has been absolutely incredible. As you can see on my phone here, there's basically a lot of different news articles about money. Other people can post, and you can follow your favorite creators. So as you can see, that's my profile there, and if you wish to follow me, you can. It's absolutely free to download, and you can get it in the description down below. So now going over how I budget, I like to use the 20-10-20-50 rule. Basically, with the income you get, I like to use 20% on investing or some sort of investment, or putting it towards your business. So the reason why I have investments over savings is just because I feel like investments gets better returns than having a savings account. 10% for saving, so this can be saving for a car, a house, or an emergency fund. So what an emergency fund is, basically if you don't get paid for a certain amount of time, you'll be able to survive off some backup money. And another 20% for spending, so this can be any subscriptions you have, possibly just food. And finally, the last 50% is for your needs, so this could be your bills, your rent, and etc. Now the next thing I focus on is setting goals. Again, this can be done through the WeMoney app, but for me it's important that I set goals not just for my savings but also for my investments as well. Now this may look a little bit complicated at first, but it is an investment calculator and it's very easy to use. So for example, if I wanted $200,000 in 10 years, I can see exactly how much money I need to be putting in. So for example, if I put $20,000 to start, wait 10 years, and the average return is 6%, and I'm putting $1,000 at the beginning of every month, I can calculate it, and I'm only putting in $140,000, and as you can see, this $58,290 is just from interest, helping me reach my goal. Now the third and final thing, but probably the most important thing I do, is budgeting my spending. So if my spending is going over that 20% mark that I've set for myself, I can basically go through WeMoney and see exactly where my money is going and where I'm spending it. Then I like to do some simple calculations and see if I can cut my costs on some of the things I've been spending money on. So an example of this is when I used to go to work for 6 days a week, I was basically buying a coffee every day for $4.50. That equals $27 a week. Again, it doesn't sound too bad, but then in a month that's $108, and in a year that's over $1,200 I'm spending on just coffee. So by looking at this, I can see that I can improve on this. And how? So if I make my coffee at home, it costs me only 83 cents to make. That equals under $5 in a week, and in a month under $20, and in a year only around $230, and I'm saving basically $1,000 just for coffee. Obviously it's okay to spend, and every now and then it's good to treat yourself, so don't feel guilty for spending at times. So these are just some of the tips that I use to budget, and I really hope this helps someone out there. If this did, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Also, just as a reminder, if you do want to download WeMoney, you can do so by the link in the description down below. It's absolutely free, and feel free to follow me as I'll be posting some more content there. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Cheers.